Sherien Copes, the wife of former Real Housewives of Atlanta star Apollo Nida, has officially filed for divorce, citing a marriage that is irretrievably broken due to allegations of abuse, infidelity, and desertion. The couple, who separated in November 2023, less than a year after their October 2022 wedding, has now entered a tumultuous phase with legal proceedings underway. The divorce documents, as reported by People, reveal a litany of serious accusations against Nida. Copes claims that the marriage deteriorated due to Nida's cruel treatment, specifically pointing to incidents of physical and emotional abuse that also affected her daughter. She further accuses Nida of having multiple extramarital affairs, stating in the filing, "The respondent has had sexual intercourse with someone else during our marriage," and adds that he intentionally and continually deserted me for at least a year. In an alarming disclosure, Copes has also sought a protective order against Nida, fearing further acts of violence or harassment. "There is a history of physical violence by the respondent toward me, and I am afraid that the respondent will engage in further acts of violence or harassment toward me unless the court enters a temporary and permanent restraining order," she detailed in her filing. The legal documents also include a settlement agreement, signed on October 18, 2024 by both parties, where they waived their rights to alimony and agreed to divide their marital property privately. Despite agreeing to a restraining order, Nida's consent explicitly states that his cooperation is not an admission of past violence, threats, or harassment. This legal battle comes after Nida's troubled past with the law and previous marriage to RHOA star Phaedra, with whom he shares 2 children. Nida's prior convictions for various fraud charges and a subsequent prison sentence have been well documented, alongside his marriage to Parks that ended in a protracted divorce finalized only in July 2017. A court date has been set for March, where further details of the case will be reviewed by a judge. Representatives for Nida have not yet commented on the allegations.